Are you a real estate investor looking to buy or refinance commercial property? If yes, a long-term CRE loan could be your key. So commercial real estate long-term financing is designed for investors and businesses who want stability. You can secure anywhere from $200,000 up to $150 million in funding. So minimum requirements are going to be a 660 or higher FICO score, a property debt service coverage ratio or DSCR of at least 1.1x, and financial documentation like tax returns and rent rolls. So these are really, really good for buy and hold strategies. So if you're purchasing or if you're refinancing or you're stabilizing income producing properties, these are really good options to explore. So for example, if you're an investor and you went ahead and you secured $3 million in long-term CRE loan to help you purchase and stabilize an apartment building, now with that financing you got in place, you can improve operations, you can increase the occupancy rate, you can generate long-term steady income while you're paying down the loan over time. So it gives you an advantage of getting the capital you need up front for a long-term investment, and then you can start building more cash flow to then pay off the loan, and you've got to stretch out over time so you can pay it out over time without tapping into your cash flow too much, so that way you can invest in other properties and scale from there. So if you want to explore this as a potential funding option, there's a link below in the description for a quick survey. Just go ahead and click that. It's going to ask you some basic questions about your business. It takes like 2 minutes to fill out that survey. As soon as you're done and you submit that, it's going to open up a calendar where you can book a free call with one of our funding specialists. On the call with them, what they're going to do is they're going to take the information you provided in the survey, and they're going to explore all your potential funding options based on that information. They'll answer any questions you may have, and they're basically just going to educate you on all your potential options based on your particular business and situation. Then from there, you can decide if anything makes sense and you want to move forward. Once you decide you want to move forward, they'll then explain the exact process of any documentation that's needed and anything else you need to do from your end. So they'll basically guide you step by step through the process. But it all starts with you filling out the free survey and the description. Takes you just a couple of minutes. As soon as you're done with that, you can book that free call with the funding team, and then from there they'll go over your options. You can decide what's best for your particular business.